friends, this is our Sattva Songbird. This is the layout view. Let me take you through the 2 BHK. This is the fire space. Now let's move on to a big spacious living area extended with the balcony. So here we have dining area. It is next to the washroom area, which is a common washroom. As you can see, the spacious washroom size. This is our kitchen attached with the utility. Now here is the beauty. As you can see, it is a very big size master bedroom, quite ventilated, and the specialty is you are getting a tucked in wardrobe, so no need to worry about your wardrobe space. So this entire space is only for the bed. Again, you have second room, which is master bedroom attached with the washroom, and we have another balcony here. So this is our 2 BHK mock-up apartment for Sattva Songbird. Please call back for the below given number for more details and enjoy the benefit of your loyalty program. To know more, please call.